Are you managing your real estate leads manually? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've created this easy setup using Pabbly Connect, where I've built connection between my MagicBricks application and Zoho CRM, such that whenever I receive a new lead from my MagicBricks, the lead details are automatically added to my Zoho CRM. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this entire setup too for your business, then let's start creating this from the scratch. So here we are going to build this connection between MagicBricks and Zoho CRM in such a manner that whenever we receive a new lead from MagicBricks, it is automatically added to Zoho CRM. We are simply going to build connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. Now here, this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared in front of me, where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access now, and here it will take me towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch, for which I'm going to select the workflow builder. Here we have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. We are going to select this new beta, name this workflow, and then we have to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me, where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from MagicBricks, it is automatically added to Zoho CRM, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from MagicBricks, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking MagicBricks, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Zoho CRM. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take MagicBricks. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select new leads and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and MagicBricks, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect Pabbly Connect with MagicBricks. Now here I have already created this connection in my MagicBricks, so you cannot add this webhook URL on your MagicBricks account. The option is not present in user interface, so you have to reach out to your account manager in MagicBricks. They create this entire setup, and then you start capturing the leads. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this capture webhook response and wait for my lead response. So here I have received the response. First name is latest, last name is lead, email address is latestlead24@pabblytudes.com, and here we have received the phone number. Here, as soon as I have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, before that, please make sure that you send this webhook URL to your account manager in MagicBricks. They are only going to create this entire setup. Now moving on towards the next step, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and I want to add these lead details to my CRM. I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM, and in my action event, I'm going to select insert update record with subform data and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, you have to enter the domain. Now if I open my Zoho CRM on the top, this is the domain, zoho.in. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here. Simply click on this save. I have already logged in my Zoho CRM, so now I just need to grant away the permission, for which I'm going to click on this accept. You will see Zoho CRM will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. First, I have to select the module name. If I open my Zoho CRM account, on the left hand side you can see all the modules which I have. Now if you want to create a lead or a contact, you can select according to your choice and preference. I'm going to select it as contacts. I'm going to go back towards my workflow, select contacts, and then I have to enter the other details. As soon as I select the contacts, here I have to select the layout, which is standard. Then I have these details. Now here I am not going to enter these details. I have not received the response for these details. But if you have received the response, you can enter reading the help desk given below these fields. The first thing I'm going to enter here is first name. Now how I'm going to do this, I'm going to enter / go towards this MagicBricks and map this. Now this process is called mapping. If you are an existing user, you already know about mapping, but if you are a new user, here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Here I have entered the first name and the last name as latest lead. I'm going to enter the email address as latestlead24@pabblydudes.com, and then I'll enter the phone number here as this 90. I'm going to skip the rest of the part, and then I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and here we have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me open my Zoho CRM, and I've created a contact. So I'm going to refresh this page once we have created the latest lead. So here it is, we have created this latest lead. The name which we entered was latest lead, phone number which we entered was this one, and the email address was latestlead24@pabblydudes.com. Now to summarize, we took MagicBricks as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we wanted to add that to Zoho CRM. We took Zoho CRM as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created the lead. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between MagicBricks and Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. I have attached a link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.